Music is like magic for the heart and soul.
I want to play this beautiful instrument too.
Ask your father about the music lessons tonight.
A violin costs too much money for us, Lily.
But I really want to learn the music.
Maybe one day you will have a violin.
One day is not today, Grandpa Sam.
We must pay for our electricity and food first.
I will never be a real music player.
Do not lose your big dream so quickly.
Look at my new flute for the music class. It is very pretty and very shiny, Oliver. You should get your violin very soon, Lily. My family cannot buy a violin for me. What are you making in there, Grandpa Sam?
It is a secret project for my old workshop.
Grandpa Sam is being very strange today, Dad.
He is old and likes his quiet time alone.
I must go back to my busy workshop now.
He only cares about his old pieces of wood.
Be kind to your grandfather. He is very old.
He is just ignoring me and my big problem. Nobody in this house listens to my heart. What is he doing in there so late? He is hiding things inside that dark room. That noise is very loud and very annoying.
The sun is very hot for working today.
Why are you working so hard on useless wood?
Nothing is useless if you have a good plan.
The music class starts on Monday morning, Lily.
Come in. I cannot join the class without a violin.
Maybe you can share my flute with me.
Thank you, Oliver, but I love the violin. You have money for paint, but not for me.
You do not understand what I am doing.
Grandpa is spending money on his silly hobby.
He is using his small savings for something.
It is not fair that he forgets me.
Please do not be so angry at him, Lily.
He is finally finished with his secret work. I want to see what is inside the workshop. He even locked the door to keep me out. I can only see a long, wooden shape.
My hands are very sore from the work.
Maybe you should stop working on your wood.
I am doing this because I love you.
You never buy me anything that I want.
That was a very mean thing to say.
Nobody loves me in this whole house. Today is the first day of music class.
Wait, Lily. I have something for you today.
What is inside that long wooden box, Grandpa?
Grandpa.
Open it and see the surprise for yourself.
You, Bathine, you made this for me with wood?
I made it with my own 2 hands.
Is this why your hands are so sore?
Every hour of work was for your music.
I am so sorry for all my mean words.
He worked every night for many, many weeks.
My name is on the back of the wood.
A violin needs a bow to make music.
Now I can go to my music class.
Hurry now, or you will be late, Lily.
I have the best gift in the whole world.
This is the most beautiful violin I know. The sound of this wood is very special.
Your grandpa is a very talented man, Lily. He made it because he loves me so much.
Let us play together for the very first time.
Grandpa, I played my first note today.
Keep playing. Your music is getting much better.
This part is too hard for me to learn.
Remember the hard work I did for this. Yeah. No.
I will try again for you, Grandpa Sam.
She is playing a real song for us.
are ready for the school concert, Lily.
What if I make a big mistake on stage?
Just play with your heart and be heart.
There are so many people watching us today. I am playing this song for my family.
Lily will play a special song for us.
This music is for my wonderful Grandpa, Sam.
That is the sound of my hard work. She looks so happy on that big stage.
You did it! Everyone is clapping for you. Thank you, Grandpa. I love you.
That was the best music I ever heard.
You built more than a violin, sir.
Smile for the camera, my beautiful musicians.
I want to play music every single day. Good night, my beautiful gift from my grandpa.
I am very happy that you liked it.
Love can build anything if we try hard.
I thought it was just a piece of wood, but it was a box full of love.